our Photoshop course. In this video, we will explore one of the most popular uses of Photoshop, photo retouching. We will learn how to remove spots, smooth skin, and make photos look professional without over editing. Now select Create New Page. Let's start with the Spot Healing Brush tool. You will find it in the toolbar on the left or press the shortcut key J. Firstly, I will go with the any image. I will find any image. Now it's perfect for removing small blemishes or dust on. Just zoom into the photo. Zoom into the photo, adjust your brush size and click once on the area you want to fix. That's one spot healing brush tool like this. Photoshop automatically blends it with the surrounding pixels. Remove any support from the image on the face like this, like this. This one, removing any spot area. Next we have the healing brush tool. It works like the spot healing tool, but you manually select clean area to copy from. Alt option on Mac and click a clean area, then paint over the blemish. Select any clean area, define it, increase size, and let's go with this. This gives you more control and natural looking results.